Hi, it's Immobiliser Fit. Just thought we'd do a quick video on putting the Starline i96 and i96 Pro into Valet mode if you need to take it for a service. So the way it's done is first ignition on and disarm the system. So I'll pop in the code 1, 2, 3. It's our code. Get your disarm melody. Now press any button that you use for your code 11 times. So we'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Turn the ignition off and on, we'll get 2 bleeps. So there we go, this vehicle's now a normal car. You can take it back to Range Rover, get them to service it. So if we just start it up, select our gear, you'll see it doesn't stall. There we go, so this car's in Valet mode. When you get the car back from the dealer and you want it protected again, so simply put the ignition on and pop your code in. 1, 2, 3, that's our code. 2 bleeps, this car's protected again. So after 10 seconds, that alarm, and then you can test it and make sure it's protected. So what we'll do that now. So start it up, select our gear, vehicle stalls, we know it's protected. Hope this helps out some of our customers who've forgotten how to do it. Need to take their car for a service.